Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best utility sinks that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Hibont Sink Hose Dog Shower Sprayer Attachment. The Sink Hose Dog Shower Sprayer Attachment is a versatile addition to your utility room, bathroom, or laundry tub. It features a female aerator and hand spray faucet attachment with a generous 90-inch shower hose, making it perfect for a range of tasks. Whether you need to give your pet a bath, rinse off muddy shoes, or wash your hair, this attachment provides the flexibility and convenience you need. With easy installation, it quickly transforms your sink into a functional spray station. Simplify your daily routines with the Sink Hose Dog Shower Sprayer Attachment, making pet care and cleaning tasks a breeze. Moving on at number 4, we have Klena Shower Head Sink Faucet. The Klena Shower Head Sink Faucet Bathtub Bathroom Garden Hose Sprayer Attachment is a versatile solution for various water-related tasks. With 5 adapters included, it's perfect for hair washing, pet dog rinsing, and baby baths. The On/OFF extension feature offers control and convenience, allowing you to conserve water when needed. This attachment is compatible with Moen, Kohler, Delta, and American Standard faucets, making it a versatile addition to your home. Whether you're looking to simplify your daily routines or make bath time more efficient, the Klena Hose Sprayer Attachment is a practical and adaptable choice. At number 3, we have Vetta Gray Utility Sink Laundry Tub. Upgrade your laundry room, basement, garage, or shop with the Gray Utility Sink Laundry Tub by Vetta. This utility sink comes with a high-arc black faucet that features a convenient pull-down sprayer spout. Designed for heavy-duty use, it's perfect for various tasks, including washing clothes, cleaning tools, or even pet grooming. The freestanding tub design adds versatility to your space, allowing for easy installation. With its sleek gray finish and functional features, this utility sink not only serves a practical purpose but also enhances the aesthetic of your work area. Make your chores easier with Vetta's Utility Sink Laundry Tub. At number 2, we have Zikaniye Sink Faucet Sprayer Attachment. The Zikaniye Sink Faucet Sprayer Attachment is a versatile addition to your home, perfect for various tasks in the laundry room, bathroom, and kitchen. This attachment easily connects to your tub faucet, transforming it into a convenient shower head. It's ideal for activities like dog bathing, washing clothes, or even providing a quick rinse in the kitchen sink. The hose shower set offers flexibility and ease of use for a wide range of applications. Simplify your daily routines and tasks with the Zikaniye Sink Faucet Sprayer Attachment, making it a practical and efficient solution for your home. And finally at number 1, HGN Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. The HGN Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer is a versatile and practical addition to your kitchen. Designed for commercial use, it features a single handle for easy temperature and flow control. The pull-down sprayer adds convenience for tasks like washing dishes, filling pots, or rinsing vegetables. With its brushed nickel finish, this faucet complements various kitchen styles, including farmhouse, camper, laundry, utility, and wet bar sinks. Upgrade your kitchen with the HGN Kitchen Faucet for reliable performance and a sleek, modern look, making your daily kitchen tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.